Welcome, today in front of me VIVO X80 Pro, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So to do that, we should first open notification panel here, and if you want to add some icons or remove some of them or just to change their positions, you should click here on this edit icon. Now we can see this down section with these invisible icons, and if you want to add some of them, just to do that you should hold the icon and drag it here to this up section. By the same way, we can add here more icons. You can add all of them if you want, that's not a problem. And to just remove the icons from here, just by the same way, hold and drag them here to this down section. And that's it. Also, if you want to change the positions, just hold and drag the icon by this way. To save the changes, go back. And that's how it looks. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.